Morning, and continuing the reading of the book of Joshua from the Old Testament of the Holy Bible, chapter 14 onwards. The book of Joshua from the Old Testament of the Holy Bible, chapter 14 onwards. And these are the countries which the children of Israel inherited in the land of Canaan, which Eleazar the priest and Joshua the son of Nun, and the heads of the fathers of the tribes of the children of Israel distributed for inheritance to them. By lot was their inheritance, as the Lord commanded by the hand of Moses, for the 9 tribes and for half the tribe. And Moses had given the inheritance of 2 tribes and a half tribe on the other side of Jordan, but unto Levites he gave none inheritance among them. For the children of Joseph were 2 tribes, Manasseh and Ephraim. Therefore they gave no part unto the Levites in the land, save cities to dwell in, with their suburbs for the cattle and for the substances. As the Lord commanded Moses, so the children of Israel did, and they divided the land. Then the children of Judah came unto Joshua in Gilgal, and Caleb the son of Jephunneh the Kenizzite said unto him, Thou knowest the thing that the Lord said unto Moses, the man of God, concerning me and thee in Kadesh Barnea. 40 years old was I when Moses the servant of the Lord sent me from Kadesh Barnea to espy out the land, and I brought him word again, as it was in my heart. Nevertheless, my brethren that went up with me made the heart of the people melt, but I fully followed the Lord my God. And Moses sware on that day, saying, Surely the land whereon thy feet have trodden shall be thine inheritance, and thy children's forever, because thou hast fully followed the Lord thy God. And now, behold, the Lord has kept me alive. And he said, For these 45 years ever since the Lord spake this word unto Moses, while the children of Israel wandered in the wilderness, and now, lo, I am this day 65 years. Now therefore give me this mountain, whereof the Lord spake in that day. For thou heardst in that day how the Anakims were there, and the cities were great and fenced. If so be the Lord will be with me, then I shall be able to drive them out, as the Lord said. And Joshua blessed him, and gave unto Caleb the son of Jephunneh Hebron for an inheritance. Hebron therefore became the inheritance of Caleb, the son of Jephunneh the Kenizzite, unto this day, because he had wholly followed the Lord God of Israel. And the name of Hebron was Kirjath Arba. And Arba was a great man among the Anakims, and the land had rest from war. Chapter 15. This was then the lot of the tribe of the children of Judah by their families, even to the border of Edom. The wilderness of Zin southward was the uttermost part of the south coast, and the south border was from the shore of the salt sea, from the bay that looketh southward. And it went out to the south side to Male Krabim, and passed along to Sin, and ascended up to the south side unto Kadesh Barnea, and passed along to Hesron, and went up to Adar, and fetched a compass to Karka. From thence it passed toward Asmon, and went out unto the river of Egypt, and the goings out of the coast were at the sea. This was your south coast. And the east border was the salt sea, even unto the end of Jordan. And their border in the north quarter was from the bay of the sea at the uttermost part of Jordan. And the border went up to Beth Hogla, and passed along by the north of Beth Araba. And the border went up to the stone of Bohan the son of Reuben. And the border went up to Debir from the valley of Echor, and so northward looking toward Gilgal, that is before the going up of Adumim, which is on the south side of the river. And the border passed toward the waters of En Shemesh, and the goings out thereof were at Enrogel. And the border went up by the valley of the son of Hinnom unto the south side of the Jebusite. The same is Jerusalem. And the border went up to the top of the mountain that lieth in the valley of Hinnom westward, which is at the end of the valley of the giants northward. And the border was drawn from the top of the hill unto the fountain of the water of Nephtoah, and went out to the cities of Mount Ephron. And the border was drawn to Bala, which is Kirjath Jearim. And the border compassed the Bala westward unto Mount Seir, and passed along unto the side of Mount Jereim, which is Cheslon on the north side, and went down to Beth Shemesh, and passed on to Timnah. And the border went out unto the side of Ekron northward, and the border was drawn to Shikron, and passed along to Mount Bala, and went out to Jabneel, and the goings out of the border were at sea. And the west border was to the great sea, and the coast thereof. This is the coast of the children of Judah round about, according to their families. And unto Caleb the son of Jephunneh he gave a part among the children of Judah, according to the commandment of the Lord to Joshua, even the city of Arba the father of Anak, which is the city of Hebron. And Caleb drove thence the 3 sons of Anak, Sheshai, Ahiman, Talmai, the children of Anak. And he went up thence to the inhabitants of Debir, and the name of Debir before was Kirjath Sepher. And Caleb said, He that smiteth Kirjath Sepher and taketh it, to him will I give Akash my daughter to wife. Aksa my daughter to wife. And Othniel the son of Kenaz, the brother of Caleb, took it, and he gave him Aksa his daughter to wife. And it came to pass, as she came unto him, and she moved him to ask of her father a field, and she lighted off her ass. And Caleb said unto her, What wouldst thou? Who answered, Give me a blessing, for thou hast given me a south land. Give me also the springs of water. And he gave her the upper springs and the nether springs. This is the inheritance of the tribe of the children of Judah according to their families. And the uttermost cities of the tribe of the children of Judah toward the coast of Edom, southward were Kabzeel, Eder, and Jagur, and Kinnah, and Dimona, and Adalah, and Kadesh, and Hazor, and Ithnan, Sif, and Telem, and Bealoth, and Hazor, Hadadid, Kerioth, and Hezron, and Hazor, Aman, and Shema, and Molada, and Hazar Gadda, and Heshmon, and Beth Palath, and Hazar Shual, and Beersheba, and Bischothja, Bala, and Aim, and Azim, and Eltolad, and Chezil, and Hormah, Siglag, Madmana, Sansana, and Labawath, and Shillim, and Ain, and Rimmon, all the cities are 29 with their villages. And in the valley, Eshtaol, Soria, and Ashna, and Sanoah, and Enganim, Tapua, and Enam, Jarmuth, Adulam, Soko, Asaka, and Sharaim, Adithaim, Jedara, and Gedorathaim, 14 cities and their villages, Senan, and Hadasha, and Migdalgad, and Dilain, and Mizpah, and Joktail, Lachish, and Boscath, and Eglon, and Kabon, Laman, and Kitlish, and Gederoth, Bedagon, Nama, Makkedah, 16 cities with their villages, Libnah, and Ether, and Ashan, and Iftah, and Asha, and Nezib, and Keilah, and Aksib, and Marisha, 9 cities with their villages, Ekron with her towns and her villages, from Ekron even unto the sea, all that lay near Ashdod with their villages, Ashdod with her towns and her villages, Gaza with her town and her villages, unto the river of Egypt, and the great sea and the border thereof, and in the mountains Shamir, and Jatir, and Soko, and Dana, and Kirjath Sanah, which is Debir, and Anab, and Eshtoma, and Anim, and Goshen, and Holon, and Gilo, 11 cities with their villages, Arab, and Duma, and Eshenan, Janom, and Beth Tapua, and Aphikah, and Humta, Kirjatabra, which is Hebron, and Zior, 9 cities with their villages, Mawon, Carmel, Sef, Juta, Jezreel, Jokadam, and Shanoah, Cain, Gibeah, Timnah, 10 cities with their villages, Halul, Bethur, Gedor, and Marath, and Bedananoth, and Eltekon, 6 cities with their villages, Kirjathbaal, which is Kirjath Cheraim, and Rabab, 2 cities with their villages. In the wilderness, Betharaba, Bidin, and Sekaka, and Nibshan in the city of salt, and Engedi, 6 cities with their villages. As for Jebusites, the inhabitants of Israel, the children of Judah could not drive them out. And the Jebusites dwell with the children of Judah at Jerusalem unto this day. And chapter 16. And the lot of the children of Joseph fell from Jordan, by Jericho unto the water of Jericho on the east to the wilderness that goeth up from Jericho throughout the mountain Bethel, and goeth from Bethel to Luz, and passeth along the unto the borders of Archai to Athroth, and goeth down westward to the coast of Yaphleti, and the coast of Beth Horon, the Nether, and to Gezer, and the goings out thereof are at the sea. So the children of Joseph, Manasseh and Ephraim took their inheritance, and the border of the children of Ephraim according to the families was thus. Even the border of their inheritance on the east side was Atharoth Adar unto Bethhoron the upper, and the border went out toward the sea of Mikametha on the north side, and the border went about eastward unto Thanath Shiloh, and passed by it on the east of Janohah. And it went down from Janohah to Atharoth and to Naarath, and came to Jericho, and went out to Jordan. The border went out to Tapua westward unto river Kana, and the goings out thereof were at sea. This is the inheritance of the tribe of the children of Ephraim by their families. And the separate cities for the children of Ephraim were among the inheritance of the children of Manasseh, all the cities with their villages. And they drove not the Canaanites that dwelt in Gezer, but the Canaanites dwell among Ephraimites unto this day, and serve under tribute. And chapter 17. There was also a lot for the tribe of Manasseh, for he was the firstborn of Joseph, to wit, for Machir the firstborn of Manasseh, the father of Gilead, because he was a man of war, therefore he had Gilead and Bashan. There was also a lot for the rest of the children of Manasseh by their families, for the children of Abiezer and the children of Helek, the children of Asiriel, and the children of Shechem, for the children of Hepher, and for the children of Shemida. These were the male children of Manasseh, the son of Joseph, by their families. But Zelophehad, the son of Hepher, the son of Gilead, the son of Machir, the son of Manasseh, had no sons but daughters. And these are the names of his daughters, Mahlah, Noah, Hoglah, Milcah, and Tirzah. And they came near to Eleazar the priest, and before Joshua the son of Nun, and before the princes, saying, The Lord commanded Moses to give us an inheritance among our brethren. Therefore, according to the commandment of the Lord, he gave them an inheritance among the brethren of their father. And there fell 10 portions to Manasseh, beside the land of Gilead and Bashan, which were on the other side of Jordan. Because the daughters of Manasseh had an inheritance among his sons, and the rest of Manasseh's sons had the land of Gilead. And the coast of Manasseh was from Asher to Mikmetah, that lieth before Shechem, and the border went along on the right hand unto the inhabitants of En Tappuah. Now Manasseh had the land of Tappuah, but Tappuah on the border of Manasseh belonged to the other children of Ephraim. And the coast descended unto the river Kana, southward of the river. These cities of Ephraim are among the cities of Manasseh. The coast of Manasseh was also on the north side of the river, and the outgoings of it were at the sea. Southward of it was Ephraim's, and northward it was Manasseh's, and the sea is the border. And they met together in Asher on the north, and Issachar on the east. And Manasseh had in Issachar and in Asher Bethshean and her towns, and Ibleam and her towns, and inhabitants of Dor and her towns, and inhabitants of Endor and her towns, the inhabitants of Thanach and her towns, and the inhabitants of Megiddo and her towns, even 3 countries. Yet the children of Manasseh could not drive out the inhabitants of those cities, but the Canaanites would dwell in that land. Yet it came to pass, when the children of Israel were waxen strong, that they put the Canaanites to tribute, but did not utterly drive them out. And the children of Joseph spake unto Joshua, saying, Why hast thou given me but one lot and one portion to inherit, seeing I am a great people, for as much as the Lord has blessed me hitherto? And Joshua answered them, If thou be a great people, then get thee up to the wood country, cut down for thyself there in the land of the Perizzites and of the giants, if Mount Ephraim be too narrow for thee. And the children of Joseph said, The hill is not enough for us, and all the Canaanites that dwell in the land of the valley have chariots of iron, both they of the Bethshean and her towns, and they who are of the valley of Jezreel. And Joshua spoke unto the house of Joseph even unto Ephraim and Manasseh, saying, Thou art a great people, and hast great power. Thou shalt not have one lot only, but the mountain shall be thine, for it is a wood. And thou shalt cut it down, and the outgoings of it shall be thine. For thou shalt drive out the Canaanites, though they have iron chariots, and though they be strong.